Special guest.
We're having coffee. Hi.
Man, you, both of you. There are no sacred moments around this place.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Good, good, good. Grandpa's eating his breakfast, scrambled eggs, bacon, cup of coffee.
Yes, all are essential.
Essential. Grandpa, you are essential. I'm here listening to Christmas music in the background and cutting up tortilla chips because they're overdue. And look at this. I actually found a bag of tortillas that great for faluda, tostadas, tacos, tortilla chips. And I'm making my famous triangles right here with a pair of scissors, cutting them into triangles, and in the deep fryer they'll go, and we'll have like pounds and pounds and pounds of tortilla chips to share with whoever wants them. The GrandDaddyMinx show. Hi. Alright, got my pork butt. What in the heck was that? That doesn't belong. I felt you. I felt you. Long hair, I thought. Ah! You don't see that? I got big old long hair. No long hairs allowed. Got a pork butt roast, $1.19 a pound. Hey, $10 is gonna feed 6 people for less than 3 days. 17 pounds in half. Well, that's like 8 pounds. But 8 pounds are gonna probably cook down to about 6 pounds. It's a little slimy, so it's going to need a bath. And they already have them cut in half, which is nice. I'm going to leave that fat on there. I am going to give this sucker a wash, though. Ooh, extra piece of meat. Oh, yeah. Get some of that slime off of there. I don't know if that's preservative or not. It still feels really, really good. Well, that part's done, guys. Now we got to switch over to the seasoning area. I got my meat. I think I want to poke it. I'm either going to poke it. I got pork gravy. Pork gravy, a whole onion, a couple of mushrooms, garlic cloves we're going to stab in there, some basil. I think we're going to start doing all this right now. Yeah, let's do the seasoning. That should be last. Caraway seed, not enough. Go heavy on the caraway seed. Ooh, that heavy. That's probably 2-3 tablespoons. My favorite, MSG. Oh yeah, coating that fat. Paprika. Okay, that was about a tablespoon. A little bit of both. Basil. Some bay leaves. Yeah. Some garlic paste. Gonna massage this into the meat. Definitely it's in there. Got apple juice, which is applesauce. No mold, but we're gonna clean it out with banana beer. This is gonna go on the stove at about low to 3, simmer, very low simmer for at least 90 minutes. And then can kick up the heat just a little bit. And then the aroma is gonna hit the house, and that should cook for 3 to 5 hours. Don't want it tough, want the meat to fall off the bone, nice and slow. Just look at it. Hi.
Salsa, yum.
This is the pork, the butt. Ooh. Thank you, Porky Pig. Salty, sweet, caraway seed, garlic.
Oh, you're in negative lighting, that's why. Hello, there we are. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, yeah.
cookies
No
and
time
pies.
They're still working on their baking skills.
I'll say they are. I think I'm still working on my baking skills.
We all are working on our baking skills.
Thanks for watching.